Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. To make this cucumber tomato salad, we are using 2 cucumbers. We are partially peeling the cucumbers, just like so. Then we are dicing them into bite-sized pieces. Place them into a large mixing bowl. Now we need 1 pint of grape tomatoes and we are going to cut them into small bite-sized pieces. Then we are dicing up 1 medium-sized red onion. Now in a mixing bowl, add in 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, one garlic clove minced, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, about 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, one teaspoon of salt, about 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and now mix it all in. Pour the homemade dressing over the salad and give it a toss. Now keep in the fridge for a couple of hours before serving. And now you are ready to eat. And there you guys have it, cucumber tomato salad. Enjoy. Buen provecho. Thanks for watching.